Hey, good morning everybody. Sam with MoPros here. Here we are in Kaufman, Texas, landscaping and event venue. It's gonna be a pretty cool project, very cool property and house here, and we are honored to get to add our little touch to it. It's gonna be a fun one. Let's check it out. Here is some of the plant material we have staged today. Very nice looking plants. It's gonna look even better around the building. Here's the material we took out. Here's a picture of the building here. Like I said, beautiful property out here. Got a couple of different areas we're gonna landscape today. All right, so check this out. Before we get too far on this project, I wanna show you guys the design we did beforehand. This is what we are trying to achieve today. Customer loved this design. Hopefully it'll turn out just like this. All right, let's get started. Come in and install very thick commercial grade landscape fabric. This is some of the best stuff on the market. Hardly any weeds can penetrate it, but water can still get through. We set out the plants. We put in whatever edging. Over on this side, we're doing metal edging, but on the little building across the way there, we're doing Austin chopstone. We get that installed, set out the plants, plant the plants. Then we put in the filler, which for this bed is Black Star gravel and Texas river rock. All right guys, just in case you thought we didn't have enough trucks here, here is one more. Newest team member Aaron McGinley coming in for the rescue. We were short a few plants, so Aaron drove the 150 miles to go pick up 2 3-gallon plants. Thanks, Aaron.